Hey, what's up, my adventure goers? Jessie here, and on today's episode of Jessie's Drone Adventures, we are going to take a look at one of Arizona's most visited waterfalls, the beautiful, the magnificent Water Wheel Falls. And in just a minute, I'm going to quit my yapping and I'll play some music so that way you guys can enjoy these amazing views that I shot on my drone. But hey, if you're looking for a place to visit this summer in Arizona, or if you're not from the area and you're just looking for a cool place to check out, then put Water Wheel Falls at the top of your list. It's located just near Payson, Arizona, and the one thing I love about Water Wheel Falls is it's a short, it's a fun, and for the most part, it's an easy hike that's family friendly. Now, you will have to cross a creek or two to get there, and you may even get a little wet, but I promise you, it's well worth it. Unless, of course, you're my wife's parents and you despise nature, and you'd rather just sit by the car and drink White Claws. But anyway, we're getting off topic. Anyways, enjoy the video. And if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for checking out my video, and if you enjoyed it, don't hesitate to hit that like and subscribe button for more places to visit in Arizona. And if you have any recommendations as well on places that I should check out, feel free to let me know in the comments section down below. See you next time.